Hello and welcome to the uOttawa website. In today's quick video, I will be showing you guys how to enroll in an ESL class. Once you are located on the home page of the uOttawa website, you are going to click on the search tool, which will bring you over to this page here. Proceed to hit the login button, and a drop-down menu will display these options. You're going to go ahead and hit the UO zone. And once you are logged in, hit the applications. Scroll down, find the enroll page and hit that. It will open up to a secondary page as you see on my screen, and you will be able to enroll in either semester, fall or winter. If you would like to register for winter, you are to select this row, hit the continue button, hit the search button to find a class, enter undergraduate as your course career or whichever suits you best from the drop-down menu. In the subject line, you are going to type in ESL and hit tab. This will by default display English as a second language next to your ESL acronym. That is sufficient for you to begin searching for an ESL class. Hit the search button. And you will now see a display of many classes offered. It is important when selecting a class to check for available seats. Note, this class has a yellow triangle and the number 0 available seats, and my available seats also listed at 0. Therefore, I would not be able to enroll in this class. However, I would be able to enroll in this class here, as it states that there are available 25 seats in the course, and my available seats show as 25. So if I would like to enroll for this State Your Position Writing with a Purpose ESL 2361 class, I would simply hit the select button, review that the class days and timings coordinate well with my schedule, hit the next button, proceed to checkout once it has been added to my shopping cart, and finish enrolling. It's as simple as that.